Everyone.
Hello, Jerome.
Hello.
Hi everyone.
Hi everyone.
We're going to start this week's stand-up meeting, and we're gonna think the job we have done with other teammates. For me, I've already configured Python environment using Conda, and during this process, I came across some issues like some package name can find in the package market, but after Google it and search some issue solvement website like Stack Overflow, and I solved it by myself. For Git Python, I use extension to replace it. And I already have SH key for the GitHub, so I already finished this task. And I test the commit function with text push. So I guess my GitHub config is already done. As for the status report, we already have a meeting with the social media software, so I guess we will finish this by tomorrow. That's my part. Who is next?
Me. Thank you, Jerome. And so far this week, I have successfully created our team Trello board and invited everyone, so we can now manage our tasks more effectively. And I also installed Mini Conda and Git Python, configured my Python environment using Conda, and generated an SSH key. And with this setup complete, I was able to pull code from our repository on GitHub without any issues. And now I am focusing on getting more familiar with Overleaf for LaTeX formatting, which will help us with our documentation and reports. Additionally, I'm planning to learn Python and a machine learning course on Coursera recommended by Chen Xi, which I think will help me better understand our paper and what we are going to do for our own project. Well, the main challenge I'm facing right now is my limited experience with machine learning and development in general. This is slowing down my ability to make important contribution to our team. However, I'm working on it by studying and practicing, and I hope that I'll be able to contribute to the team more as I progress. Thank you. That's my part.
Hello, everyone. So
who's next?
Chen-Xi, you want to talk about first?
Okay, yeah, I can go next.
Okay, sure.
Thank you, Qianying. This week I played with the Trello board, and I configured some of the cards to make it has like a date and moved around them to see how it works. I think it's a great project management tool. I also configured my Python environment using Conda and installed Git Python. And my computer already has an SSH key, so it's already connected with GitHub. And I tried to test it, commit and push something to GitHub, and it works. So that's great. I also wrote something on the project status report, and yeah, and the following days, I think we should be focusing on our proposal document. Yeah, that's all. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, so this week something I did this week is first thing I made the to-do list and I prepared the report with Xiaoyi. And I also set up the Python environment using Conda. So the first step I did was install the Conda, but there was some two different type of Conda. So mini Conda and Anaconda. And one of my group member, Chen Xi, helped me to figure out which type is suitable for us. So after that, I used Conda to create a Python environment. Then I install the Git Python and other package, which we will use in our project in the future. And the next thing I did is I generate the SSH key from the local machine and the GitHub. So first thing I generate the new SSH key from my local computer and I copy the public key and add them to my GitHub website. And the last step, I try to pull the code from it and it works. So in the next few weeks, I think I will keep learning the course of machine learning and try some coding work in next week. So that's it.
Okay, thank you, Xiaoyu. For this is Kobe, and for this week, like Xiaoyu has mentioned, I first made the to-do list and prepared the status report together with Xiaoyu, and then the next focus is on setting up and configuring the necessary tools to streamline the workflow for our project. Firstly, I tried to install a local environment. I began by installing the Conda and created a Python environment specifically designed for our capstone. And after setting up the environment, I move on to installing Git Python within the Conda environment. This library enables smooth integration of the Git functionality within Python scripts, allowing me and my teammates to automate version control tasks, such as pulling the latest codes from our repository. To verify everything was working correctly, I conducted a successful test by importing Git Python in the Python interpreter. Afterwards, I configured the SSH key to facilitate secure communication with the GitHub. This involved generating a new SSH key pair, adding the public key to the GitHub, and testing the connection to ensure that the authentication process was properly set up. And this allows me to pull the latest updates from the repository without having to enter credentials each time. And finally, after all the configurations were completed, I ran tests by pulling the most recent code from our project's main branch. This ensured my local environment was up to date and ready for further development. And like some other of the group mates has mentioned, quite a few of us, including me, lack the expertise in machine learning. So we decided, under the recommendation of Chen Xi, to teach ourselves machine learning in Python on Coursera, which is a course offered by University of Michigan. It is a more hands-on course compared to some other great courses we found, such as the one offered by Stanford or Duke. And after learning these, as well as some basic lattice, I look forward to contributing more to this project in the upcoming weeks. That's it. Thank you.
Okay. I guess we did a good job in this week. Hope to see you in next week.
Bye,
Okay.
guys.
Thank
Have a good
See you
night.
next
Bye,
you,
guys.
everyone.
Have a
Good
good
job.
night.
Bye.
Good job. See you.
See you.
See you.